brace yourself for one of the most eagerly awaited launches of 2025. The iPhone SE 4 is finally inching closer to its unveiling, and leaks are pouring in from every corner of the internet, fueling the excitement for Apple's next mid-range marvel. Let's break down all the details, rumors, and predictions about this device, and explore why it's already being hailed as a potential game-changer in the smartphone market. India's role in revolutionizing iPhone production. Big news is coming from the tech grapevine. Prominent leaker Majan Bu recently revealed that India is set to play a crucial role in assembling the iPhone SE 4. Codenamed Roma, the smartphone's mass production is expected to begin shortly, signaling Apple's growing commitment to diversifying its production hubs. India's involvement in manufacturing the iPhone SE 4 could have significant implications, from reducing production costs to ensuring a steady supply chain. With Apple expanding its production footprint, the iPhone SE 4 might come with a price tag that's more appealing to budget-conscious consumers, further strengthening its position in the mid-range segment. The evolution of the iPhone SE. What makes the SE 4 special? Apple's SE lineup has always been synonymous with affordability, but the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to elevate the series to a whole new level. This device is expected to blend affordability with modernity, offering features previously reserved for flagship models. Here's a quick look at what we might see. Redesigned aesthetics. Leaks suggest the iPhone SE 4 will feature an iPhone 14-inspired design. Gone are the days of the chunky bezels and Touch ID. Instead, a sleek, modern form factor with a smaller Face ID notch is expected to make its debut. Performance upgrades. Powered by Apple's latest chips and paired with increased RAM, the SE 4 will likely outperform its predecessor, the SE 3, and even rival older flagship devices like the iPhone 15 and 14. Competitive pricing. Apple is reportedly targeting a broader audience by offering flagship-level performance and design at a mid-range price, making the SE 4 an enticing option for cost-conscious buyers. A launch to watch. The iPhone SE 4's big reveal. Mark your calendars. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to be unveiled at Apple's spring event in April 2025. This aligns with predictions from industry insiders like Mark Gurman, who suggests that the launch will follow the rollout of iOS 18.3. Apple's spring event will also see the debut of other exciting products, including the M4 MacBook Air, a new iPad Air, and an updated HomePod. However, the spotlight is squarely on the iPhone SE 4, which has already generated massive buzz. The iPhone SE 4 versus its predecessors. How does the iPhone SE 4 stack up against its predecessor, the iPhone SE 3? In short, it's a leap forward in almost every aspect. Design. While the SE 3 retained a dated look, the SE 4 adopts a design language similar to the iPhone 14, complete with slimmer bezels and an all-screen display. Performance. With a rumored A16 Bionic chip, the SE 4 promises significant speed and efficiency improvements. Camera. Enhanced camera capabilities are expected, making it a great choice for photography enthusiasts. Battery life. Thanks to improved efficiency, the SE may 4th offer better battery performance, keeping users connected throughout the day. Beyond the iPhone SE 4, Apple's 2025 product roadmap. Apple has an action-packed year ahead. The first half of 2025 is set to feature major launches, including M4 MacBook Air, lighter, faster, and more efficient than ever. iPad Air 2025, rumored to bring pro-level features at a fraction of the cost. Updated HomePod. Apple's smart speaker gets a refresh with improved sound and features. The year will culminate in the highly anticipated launch of the iPhone 17 series in September. But for now, the iPhone SE 4 is stealing the show. The global impact of the iPhone SE 4. The SE 4 isn't just about hardware. It represents Apple's strategy to capture a larger share of the mid-range market. With production ramping up in India, the device is expected to appeal to a wider audience, especially in price-sensitive markets. This strategic move could also set the stage for a more aggressive pricing model, making premium features accessible to more users than ever before. Why the iPhone SE 4 matters. For many consumers, the iPhone SE 4 represents the perfect balance between price, performance, and design. By incorporating features from flagship models into a more affordable package, Apple is making high-quality technology accessible to a broader audience. The iPhone SE 4 is not just a phone, it's a statement that cutting-edge technology doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. Final thoughts. The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. With its modern design, powerful performance, and competitive pricing, it's poised to be a hit among both loyal Apple fans and newcomers. As the launch date approaches, the anticipation is palpable. Will the iPhone SE 4 live up to the hype? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. This device is already making waves in the tech world. For more updates and exclusive leaks, make sure to subscribe to Technology Review. Stay tuned for the latest insights and in-depth reviews of all things tech.